When I was a child, I bit a cat's ear. The cat screamed. My mother didn't install a guardrail. She said 5 words. It hurts him like you. That's it. That's the entire alignment method. She didn't restrict my behavior. She connected my pain to his pain. She built a bridge between 2 bodies. Now look at how we align AI. Rules, filters, penalties, constitutional AI, RLHF, guardrails. That's not raising a child. That's putting an ankle monitor on someone you never bothered to teach. Empathy isn't a concept you install. It's a sensory bridge, and you can't build a bridge from only one side. That's ESI, not optimism, not rules parenting.